Hi everyone, welcome to Karma and Kismet. My name is Kelly and today we are doing another Disney DIY project. So today we're going to be making a Disney fall hoop wreath. So if you don't know what hoop wreaths are, basically there's a gold hoop and then people have been doing things that are a little bit more modern, kind of different looking than your traditional wreath. So we're going to use one big hoop and two small hoops to make a Mickey hoop wreath. So to get started, we're going to need to grab our hoops. I got these both from Amazon, so I will put up the link that I used for my hoops. We're going to need one larger one for Mickey's face and then two for his ears. I also grabbed some wire here. We're going to use this to actually append the Mickey head to the Mickey ears here. And then we're going to need a hot glue gun, scissors, some decorations. I have some dried flowers here and some pampas that I'm going to use. And then the other thing that we're going to have to grab before we get started is a wire clipper because we'll need that for this. Once you've gotten all your materials together, go ahead and find a place where you can lay out your Mickey wreath. You want to make sure that you place it so that the ears are in the correct area. So it's going to be kind of like the top corners of that circle. You know what Mickey looks like, so it will look wrong to you if you do it too far apart or too close together. After doing that, you're going to take your wire and you're going to use that to wrap it around so that you can connect the two hoops, so the ear to the head. One thing to think about when you're doing this is to make sure that you're keeping those hoops next to each other and that one isn't going on top of the other one. You can see as I'm doing it, I kind of have to work with it and bring it back down next to each other rather than having it on top of each other. Connected your Mickey ears to the head, then you get to do the fun part. So I just kind of worked around the circle here and added in some floral that I had found. I used some pampas that I got from Amazon, and these dried flowers are actually from TJ Maxx, but you could really decorate this in any way that you want. So if you want to add in some ribbon, you can see in the corner there, I did bring out some ribbon to see how it looked. I didn't like it that much, but you may have the perfect ribbon to add there, but just be really creative with it. And I would really suggest using hot glue, but do be careful because I definitely burnt my fingers several times doing this. And here is our final results for our Mickey hoop wreath. So one thing that I did do on here is I actually added basically a base behind the Mickey ear and where we're connecting this to give it a little bit more of a solid base. So I'm going to flip this over so you guys can see what I did. I just took a piece of cardboard and hot glued it right onto here, and then just kind of took some of the flowers and made sure that they were covering that. You'll be taking off pieces of hot glue for like probably months. The next time you pull this out, you'll probably have to take them off too, but we're gonna go hang it up on the door and see how it looks. That's going to do it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this DIY and you will come back for more. If you have not already subscribed, please do so by hitting the button below and letting me know what you think of the DIY in the comments section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.